Now we are going to learn how sampling could be at random. So in the previous tutorial, we agreed that quadrats must be laid randomly in the area, and this is to avoid sampling bias. But how do we get a truly random sample? We could simply stand in one of the fields and throw the quadrat along our shoulder. But a better method of sampling at random is to convert the sampling area into a grid format and label each square on the grid with a number. Then, a random number generator is used to pick the sample points. This means that we could obtain a series of random numbers taken from a table or generated by a computer. Once the quadrat has been laid on the chosen sample point, the abundance of all different species present can be recorded. And all of this in order to avoid bias and in order to ensure that the data obtained are reliable.